No.
No.
My name is Promise Amana. I was born in the year 1800. At the age of 20, I started schooling. At the age of 15, I passed out my standard 6. And at the age of 25, I went to London University, where I was able to study the meaning of ABCD to Z. If you go around Nigeria today, you will see many people who know ABCD to Z, but they don't know their meaning. I beg for someone to call out the letter for me in alphabetical order. A good conscience is a good pillow, even in danger.
B.
Better sleep without supper than to eat dinner in center of death.
C.
Quote unquote, according to Osai.
D.
Distribution of ideology means apology.
E.
Evil communication corrupt good manner of no maintenance.
F.
Flunking for instability and integrity means grammaticality.
G.
Graduality, a woman becomes iglology.
H.
Heavenly Father, bless us.
I.
It is impossible and impossibility for an empty bag to stand erect.
J.
Jolly, a good follower of a person is called justification.
K.
Kerosene is the power of a native light.
L.
Life is sure and what is seen.
M.
My pity question is my comfortable way.
N.
Now advice on young men that nothing comes from nothing.
O.
Orthographic person runs over stupidity.
P.
Now advice on young men. Now advice on young men that nothing comes from nothing.
P.
Pass your clothes in order to save money.
Q.
Qualification and selfishness corrupt good manner.
R.
Relentlessness without happiness is just like a palatable soup without salt.
S.
Self-recommendation is nothing but illegalism or incantism.
C.
Sinful mind, sinful.
Q.
Qualification and selfishness corrupt good manner. No.
Okay, U.
Under teacher, scholar well treated.
V.
Voice of man make all the voice of God.
W.
Wagon cannot move without the experiment of an engine.
X.
Xmas without happiness is just like a food with a soup without salt.
Y.
Young man must learn to obey.
Z.
Zedoni was the father of philosophy. Clap for me.